lately, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Russell, and all the other indexes have been doing a lot of this: up, down, down, up, down. So what exactly is happening? Hi, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq with Arshia, back with another video. Hope you all are doing well. So before we begin, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always do your own due diligence and research before you embark on any investment scheme. Let's get into it. All right. So what exactly is happening? It seems like a chaos. And while I share my screen, of course, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below so that you don't lose me to the abyss of YouTube down below. All right. So headlines first, as always. TechSlide pulls S&P 500 down for its fifth straight loss. Okay. This is on the floor in 9/11. That's just remembrance. Wall Street capped a choppy day of trading Friday with another pullback for stocks and the S&P 500's first weekly loss in 3 weeks. The benchmark index fell 0.8% in its fifth straight decline and ended 1.7% lower for the holiday shortened weekend. That's its biggest drop since June. That's its biggest weekly drop. The other major US stock indexes also posted weekly losses. The selling was widespread. Technology, healthcare, communications, everything sold off. Smaller company stocks also fell broadly. Treasury yields mostly rose. The price of US crude oil rose 2.3%. Okay. Second, the S&P has had a good run. Why Wall Street thinks a pullback is coming? S&P 500 index funds will tumble by Christmas. One Wall Street strategist predicts. Not necessarily, says another, but they'll lose money over the next decade. A lot of you guys can't decide to panic or sulk. The index decides the fate of more than 5 trillion linked in investor assets. Only exposure for a lot of people is retirement, joint, college, healthcare, and come to think of it, all other investment accounts. So people are confused, but let me say this. Stocks have traded in a very narrow range over the past, some time. Just we don't know exactly how much time. But for several weeks, as most investors are sitting on the sideline just waiting to getting a fuller understanding of where the economy is headed and how the pandemic is impacting corporations. Let me tell you this. We have been growing outstandingly. We have been growing like crazy and recovering like crazy. We are now vaccinated. 60% of the population, American population, is now vaccinated. We have developed a vaccine. That was a big deal last year. So come to think of it, we'll get back there. Okay, and another article. Okay, we're going to go to another article if I can produce it. All right, sorry for the delay. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average declined for a fifth straight day and Friday as economic uncertainty loomed. The blue chip index shed 271.66 points to close at $34,607.72. The S&P 500 dipped nearly 0.8% to $4,458.58. And the NASDAQ Composite retreated about 0.9% to $15,115.49. Apple was the biggest laggard, however, down 3.3% because of the trial between Apple and Epic Games. I did make a video on that. Check that out too. And the S&P 500 and the Dow haven't recovered since the poor jobs report last Friday, which I also made a video about. So go check that out. And for the week, Dow is down roughly 2.2% in the second negative week in a row. The S&P 500 is off about 1.7% for the week, while the Nasdaq Composite is 1.6% lower. Let's take a look at the S&P, the star of the show, because everybody's buzzing about that, but we'll also look at other indexes down below. And so the S&P 500 right now, it's a Saturday, and the market is closed. It's about 8 a.m. I'm filming this. Sorry, 8 p.m. I'm filming this. I'm very tired. So it's dropped down about $34.70 today, like 34 points today, 34.7 points at $4,458.58. Dow Jones is at $34,607.72 and down 271.66%. Russell is also down about 21 points. Arco Oil Index is down at 1.39 points. The Nasdaq Composite is down 132.76 points. Over the past 5 days, the S&P has gone down about 73.84 points, about negative 1.63%. But over the past 6 months, it's been up 515 points, 13.0%, which is really good. So in conclusion, not to worry. We've seen thousands and thousands of weekly drops like this. We'll get back there. See you in the moon and see you later. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. See you later. Bye.